I bet you wondered why there was a sweet and low packet in front of you. Go ahead and pick it up, please. Now, if you were going to use this sweet and low packet to sweeten your coffee, sorry stevia fans, you would go ahead and just rip this open, right? Super simple, no big deal. In fact, I invite you to do this. Go ahead and rip it. Don't make a mess, but go ahead and rip it. Is that easy? That single act ended my clinical career. It was a Saturday morning. It was the first couple days after my first round of hand surgeries. I said first because there'd be more. And my husband, Michael, made me breakfast. He sat it down in front of me and he said, "You good?" I said, "Yeah." He sat around the table across from me. And I picked up the fork to start to eat, which was a challenge. And I was vulnerable enough to ask him to butter my toast for me because that was a motion I couldn't do. Then I picked this up. I tried to open it, and the pain was too significant. It was like Fort Knox. And the tears started coming down my face. Something was terribly wrong. The panic set in. The fear set in. The doubt set in. I'm just the dentist. What am I supposed to do? Now, it was that point, as you might imagine, that Michael's looking at me and he starts crying. He comes around the table, he kisses me on the forehead, and he says, "I believe in you. We will get through this together." And I thought, what are you kidding? What the heck am I supposed to do? I'm Martin the dentist. I trained my entire life for this. All I've ever done since I was 16 years of age was to be a dentist. And then all of a sudden the clouds parted. I can't explain it. And all of a sudden I had a moment of clarity. And I made a decision. And I thought, you know what? Regardless of what's going to happen next, I'm going to persevere. I don't know how. I have absolutely no idea. But I'm going to do it. And it was that moment I looked back up at him and I said, "You know, thanks so much for the kiss on the forehead. That was really sweet, but that's not the kind of sugar I need right now. Can you open up the damn sweet and low packet?" I was caught in a limiting belief that I was just the dentist. What kind of limiting beliefs do you put on yourself? Do you tie your hands with? About yourself, about your practice, about your life?